Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video, we are going to learn how we can change Wi-Fi password. So let's get started. First of all, open any web browser. Now in the search bar, search for 192.168.18.1. Then press enter. And now under username, write EP user, and under password, write user EP. Then press on login button. This page will come, and then go to advanced, then WLAN, then after WLAN basic. This might take some time. After this, you can change your Wi-Fi name from here and password from here. So let's first of all change Wi-Fi name, that is SSID name. Let's change to technical GAN. Then let's change the password to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then click on apply. After clicking on apply button, the password will be changed and the router will get rebooted. After some time, the router will start the Wi-Fi. Here the Wi-Fi is here. Let's connect this. Password was 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then click on next. It is connecting. It is connected. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video.